તમે જો ସବୁ પ્રોગ્રામ କରିଛ જે તમે નેમଟା પાસ କରୁଛ તમે ડાયરેક્ટલી ଏଟା ପାସ୍ କରି ଦଉଛ। ଏଇ void main ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ କରି ଦଉଛ character na directly, so it is the not way to pass any kind of name, so you have to define the size, the character na size, so it is the way for defining the or for storing any kind of name or string related information like your address or like your what you can say any variable, okay। So now I am showing you some other program like constant float pi equals to 3.14, float r printf enter the radius of circle scanf percentile f na now it is showing you area is equals to pi into r into r, pi into r into r, so it is a pi r square। Now printf the radius of circle is area, percentage, sorry, uh, suppose radius of circle is 4, then radius of circle is 50.2400. Okay, so like 4 into 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 3 into 4. Huh? Just 1 minute. बुझिएला এটা सूर्यकांत दिशा
Yes, sir.
बुझिएला
Yes, sir.
दिशा दिशा तुम কথা শুভুনি মতে
And
okay. So next it is the what radius of a circle we are finding, and for storing the float value, for storing the float value we are using uh, percentile f. Okay, so এটা integer ପାଇଁ ଆମେ percentile d यूज କରୁଥିଲେ, float ପାଇଁ ଆମେ percentile f यूज କରିବା. Okay, ବୁଝିହେଲା?
yes, sir.
next program ଯିବା ଆମେ. ସୌମ୍ୟ ତୁମେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ କର ଆଜି. सूर्यकांत स्टार्ट
ଆଜ୍ଞା
कर
ସାର୍
दीजिए. हाँ तुम्हें आज ही करो.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
See that when you define a variable as constant, जदि मु एठी आउ किछि वैल्यू नउची, suppose pi is equals to 2.65, then it shows me error. Okay, so error assignment of read-only variable. When you make a variable as constant, then it make us read-only. Okay, you cannot enter any kind of other value. Okay, so it make it as a read-only mode. Clear? बुझे लाइट.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after defining a constant, don't give a variable or don't initialize it again. ମାନେ ଥରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ constant variable ରେ କିଛି value initialization କରୁଛେ, ଆଉ ଥରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ initialization କରିପାରିବାନି. So when you want to print a float value, so we're using percentile f. So similar way, when you want to print a double value, then we're using LF. So LF is used to print the double value. F is used to print a single float value. So single F. So F is represent a float value. LF is used to print a double value. So to print the float, you are using percentile F. Similar way, we use the percentile LF to print the double value. That is the two way to printing the value. So already I have shown you to print the character value. For printing the character value, single character, then it is percentile C. If it is a group of character, then percentile S we are using. Percentile S, that is for printing a particular sentence. Percentile C, it is used to print a single character. Got it? बुझिएला এটা? Percentile C ର କାମ? Okay. Okay, if you want to print a double value, so if you notice here, to print a double value, here we use LF, percentile LF. LF is used to print a double value, double float. Okay, means float, higher value is double. So printing a double value, we're using percentile LF. For printing a single, for printing only decimal value, percentile F is used. And other program is same here. And here, if you want to print your age, okay, suppose here I have to create a program to enter the student management program. Okay, that is a student management program. So for that, I have to write a program here. Printf. So first, you have to define a variable for the student management system. I have to give a roll number, name, and age and address. Int age, just a minute. And roll number. For defining a variable at a time, we are using comma separation. Then for entering a name, character, suppose 50, and then address, so passing here 100. Then enter, enter student details. Printf. So here we are using /n for moving to the next line. Then printf this line I have to print /n printf enter roll number of student. Then it is moving to the next line. Then scanf percentile d. So your roll number is stored ampersand roll. Printf enter name of student. Enter name of student. Scanf percentile s. Then na. So here ampersand is not required. Then printf enter address of student. Then scanf percentile address is
C.
uh,
C.
scanf address is s percentile s
Yes, yes, correct.
and
Yes.
address. Then printf so details of student. Printf roll number of student is percentile d roll the address of student is ଏବେ ଆମେ ରନ୍ କରିବା enter the roll number of student, suppose 1 2 3 4. Enter the name of the student, suppose Amit. Enter the address of the student, suppose we're giving now see that /n ଏଠି यूज କରିବା /n enter the row 1 2 3 4. Enter the student Amit. Enter the address, so the details of the student, roll number of student is 1 2 3 4. Name of the student is Amit. Address of the student is Qatar. Okay, got it? It is a student management system. It is a small program
Yes, sir.
for the student management.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here all the things are present here. Next program I will display. Just a minute. Just 1 minute. You write some program. Write a program. This is a question for you. Hang goes. Write a program. Print your name. So here I write. खाता रखଛ ତ ପାଖରେ?
Yes, sir.
देखो write.
Yes, sir.
Write a program. Print your name. Date of birth and mobile number. Okay, so next program is write a program. Display your name in star. तुम नेम टा देखो किंतु स्टार हिसाब रे प्रिंट करियो नॉर्मली तुम लिखियोनी जे स्टार स्टार हे कि गोटे देखियो जहा जहार जो ना আছে शॉर्ट नेम दबो एते बड़ नेम दबो दरकार नै तो शॉर्ट नेम रे तुम प्रिंट करियो बुझ पाइलो किंतु करिया पड़िबो एटा तुमर नेम टा स्टार
Sir, name टा star रे रहइबो.
हां स्टार रे प्रिंट करियो
Display जोड़ा करो सेटा star रे.
आगे.
Yes, sir.
बुझी पाला तो म कोन कहयो चाहूची
Okay.
Yes, sir. रिजल्ट स्टार तो दिखेगा।
स्टार स्टार है कि सब प्रिंट करेंगे। Then write a program enter radius of circle, then print find out perimeter. Okay, so find out the perimeter. Then next write a program enter number of days, find out year, weeks and day. Write a program, enter the number of days, and find out the year, weeks and day. Okay. Days entry करिए suppose 1365 तो से तुमको कन्वर्ट करिकी देखो ईयर केते ईयर देखेबो केते वीक देखेबो और केते डेज देखेबो सेटा गोटे प्रोग्राम करिए Okay, so up to this you do it ये जे करिकी मन देखेबो ये चारटा प्रोग्राम then next program is if you want to display the multiple value then how you have to display तो हमें खाली percentile d use करथले percentile f use करथले that is printing you the single value then if it is a multiple value then how you have to display it that is asking for you at one time enter the integer value suppose 10 and float value suppose 40.67 then see there you have entered 10 and 40.66 see there enter the integer and then float then for printing all the value at one time then percentile d then percentile f at a time you can pass percentile d percentile f ampersand a and ampersand b it is showing you you have entered the percentile d and percentile f value okay बुझे এটা
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay okay so नेक्स्ट क्लास आमे मंडे रे करिवा ओके एटा जति प्रोग्राम देली ताको करि नै थियो ओके
ओके सर
Yes, sir.